So there's a case about a guy who steals some yogurt and a BBQ chicken. If high-fiving was allowed in the New South Wales Local Court, this would be one of those cases. I'm not going to say it wins because I'm claiming it's not a win having to face the New South Wales Local Court. However, sometimes there are good outcomes, like high-five moments. It's just there's so much reoffending, it's sometimes hard to see. But sometimes there is a win, sometimes. Here's an example of a high-five case. This happened here at Cessnock Local Court in August 2024. I will call the defendant Liam, it's not his real name. I would say Liam is about 30-ish. Liam got caught stealing some yogurt and a BBQ chicken from a store at East Maitland in October 2023. So the charge is larceny, which he pled guilty to. He also pleads guilty to stealing alcohol from a store at Cessnock. The court hears Liam has previously been convicted of stealing alcohol. The nature of his 13-year criminal history is described as being consistent with his history with drugs. The magistrate points out Liam was taking heroin and fentanyl daily in very high volumes. Doesn't sound like this story is going to end with a high five, but stay with me. I'm going to claim for a person to have any chance of having a high five moment at the New South Wales Local Court, it really comes down to the actual defendant. Yes, what the defendant does during legal proceedings can contribute to getting that good outcome. Since the yogurt and the BBQ chicken were stolen, Liam has taken steps to rehabilitate himself. While the legal system has been involved, it was Liam that took the steps. Liam has completed a residential rehab program and the Merit program during legal proceedings. Remember, Merit is the magistrate's early referral into treatment program. Legal proceedings are adjourned while the defendant completes this voluntary program. It's about working towards rehabilitation for drug and alcohol issues. Liam is sentenced in all the usual ways, meaning his existing CCO is called up, a new conviction is recorded, and he's given a new CCO. So what's the win, you ask? After sentencing, as the paperwork is filed away, the magistrate says to Liam, good luck. Liam responds with something like, thanks, and I feel great. Sometimes it's a little hard to hear. He looks very much alive. Liam waves and mouths thank you to the Merit officer who's sitting in the court, but she leaves her spot, approaches him, and they hug. Surely that's a win when the defendant hugs people after being convicted of a crime. So I stand by my new claim that maybe there can be high five moments in the New South Wales Local Court. It's the actual defendants who create the good outcomes.